old are you? How old are you today? 2. Alright.
Yay! Dexter's 2. Happy birthday, Dexter! Look at your decorations up there. Happy birthday. Oh, some balloons. Oh, all Dexter's cards. Oh, the zombie card, that's for Daddy. Because it's actually his birthday too. Cards,